Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for participating in my monthly giveaways. We've been having a winner every month, and December is the final month for the year of 2024 monthly giveaways. In addition, I am doing a members only giveaway where I will choose 3 lucky winners, and it will be cash prizes. Anyway, November winner is Shirley Time 9912. Congratulations. Remember to drop a comment under this video acknowledging win, and you have 48 hours to email me your shipping information. My email information is in my about section. Thank you all for participating, and again, congratulations.
You know if you want to start out with that laugh, right? Yeah. TSM, yeah. Woo! What you watch? RX Nails, who be poppin'? RX Nails. What you watch? RX Nails. What they judge?